Hello and welcome. This is a welcome video for Chemistry 100 Online for Spring 2018 at Hawaii Community College. I'm your instructor, Michael Ferguson. I'm actually at Maui College. I was a last-minute add due to an illness of the previous faculty member. The purpose of this video is to orient you to the class. So here we go. I'm on La Lima right now. So if you go to La Lima and let's see here, it's changed. This is the web page for it. It's here in La Lima. If you go to the Resources tab, see here is the syllabus, and I am bringing up the syllabus right now. So that's me, Mike Ferguson. I'm at University of Hawaii Maui College, and here's my phone number, but the best way to contact me is via email. Here are my office hours. If you want to get a hold of me, you can call me. You can always email me anytime. You can call me during my office hours or whenever, leave a message. Here's my Skype. So here also is a website, and I can bring that up for you as well. So this is another web portal you can use. Let's see, I'm a Mac person. Here we go. And you don't have to worry about the Chem 100 lab. You guys don't have the lab. You guys are just a lecture class. So I will get to this in a second to show you that. But here's a textbook, Chemistry Changing Times. This is pretty inexpensive. I think you can get it for on the order of $20 or less. You can also get the PDF for maybe even less than that. It's a pretty cheap book. So this is Chemistry 100. This class is for non-majors. I mean non-science majors, non-STEM majors. So this is a very conceptual class. Not very much math involved in this class, really at all. And the way to do this class is pretty simple. You look at the lectures online, and when you're ready, you take a test, and you take a test at the testing center. So here is the links to the testing center. Okay, it's moved, so I guess it's here now. All right, so you guys are on Hawaii Island. And here are the ones that are there. So you probably do Hilo or something along the lines, HawCCWelcomeS18. So, and here are the testing hours. So when it comes time to it, I'll ask you where you want to go to be tested. But you do the testing center, and Hawaii CC wants me to tell you that you need to have your identity verified. So they're very stringent about that I tell you in both in the syllabus. Well, I guess they don't necessarily recommend an online video, but I have to state it somewhere, so I'm saying it now, and it's in the syllabus too. Here's a grading breakdown. So 3 midterms and a final. The other thing, I don't put this in the syllabus, but if you do better on your final, you get the grade you get in the final. The other thing with the final is open book. The midterms are not, so you can take your book, just your book, not your notes, into the final. I'm very explicit about that in my instructions. And this is the breakdown. So midterm exam 1, mods 1 through 4. So what the heck is a mod? Okay, so you have to go back to the website here. And if you see here are the mods on the side. So mod 1, chemistry and atoms. And right here is the video. The video is the lesson for it. And also, when I go over this video, these slides furthermore are in La Lima. Where's La Lima? Here. So here also are the slides there if you want them. Also, if you see that there is a pretest, so mod 1 quiz, see here, these are the questions that I use for the tests. So the test questions are unaltered, and I mean there's 20 questions for each midterm. There's 50 for the final. I mean you can see here there's 15. There's many more. If you look at the other mods, energy, these ones you get more and more. But I'm it's for where the questions come from. But the other thing about the mods, if you can click on any mod, you have the answers as well. So you're being given the test questions and the answers. So and there's too many to memorize. Students would try to do that, and they always write me, and then they drop the class. So uh, don't do it that way. I mean, unless you have an didactic memory, you're not gonna be able to do it. So anyways, going back to the syllabus, so that's where the test questions are, the mods and that. And when you're ready, you go and check. I'm gonna be checking your progress as well, so it's not like I'm just gonna disappear. I'm gonna write you each and every week. And the question always is, when are things due? And this one's real easy. It's May the 4th. And I know that because of it's an unofficial Star Wars holiday. May the 4th be with you. May the Force be with you. That's when at least the midterms are due. And then the final is due at the end of final week, but you can take them anytime. And I recommend you do. The students that take stuff early always get A's. So, other thing. So, Safe Zone. I am a Safe Zone advocate. So that means I will speak on behalf of anyone. Well, that Safe Zone is specifically for LGBTQ plus individuals, but I'll speak for anybody. So if you have any issues, please let me know. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, I found out that LGBTQ plus individuals, 30% of them at some time in their lives have attempted suicide, and that is way, way too high. And if hanging a sign outside my door and making you feel like you can come talk to me, and if you come talk to me, if I can help you out, and if that lowers those numbers, I am more than happy to help, whatever I can do to help. So professors and other faculty members tend to be extremely connected in the community. I am. So if there's any issues, even though I'm not on your island, still through my network, I can reach help for you. So if you feel any issues, please let me know. But there's some caveats with that, which I will talk about later when I talk about Title IX issues. So no-show policy, I have to get a hold of you the first week of class. This may be a little up and down because people tend to drop an ad in the first week. So I'm going to be, if you are a latecomer, I'm going to try and track you down, and I need to have some sort of communication with you of some sort. Academic dishonesty, I'm just including it here. Plagiarism, cheating and plagiarism. My definition is cheating is getting an advantage that someone else doesn't have, and plagiarism is claiming someone else's work as your own. There's other things here. The full descriptions are in the Student Code of Conduct. So please do not involve yourself with any academic dishonesty during this course. Here are some Native Hawaiian values. I like to put them in my syllabus. Disability and counseling needs. So here's our statement here. Hawaii CC asked me to put this in here. In Title IX, so Title IX deals with anything regarding sex, gender-based, or sexual orientation, violence. If you report a Title IX issue to me, I have to report it. So that I'm required by law. What I will do is I will contact the department head at Hawaii CC. So just so you know, any thing that you report to me. So, but this is a complaint dealing with any type of. So you can see here, gender-based harassment, domestic violence, dating violence, and stalking. These types of things. I have to report that. So and this is also slightly different from the advocate. It's similar but different to the Safe Zone advocacy. So that's more if you have an issue that I will speak on your behalf. But if you are having issues, I mean that are outside of this, outside of Title IX, I mean, please let me know, and I will do what I can to assist you. If you want to, you can. If you don't want to talk to me, there are what's it? Confidential, anonymous, or something. I don't know. Whatever. I don't have the word in my mind right now. Confidential. So you can talk to them, and then they don't have to report it, but they are specifically noted. Or the other thing you do is you can come to me and ask me, like, I want to speak to a confidential person regarding a Title IX issue, or just confidential person in general. There's people like that, and I can guide you to them, so you don't necessarily have to find them yourself. I can help find them for you. Okay, so recap. So this is who I am. That's how you get a hold of me. Email is my preferred way of contact, but I mean, if you want to call me or Skype me, that's totally fine. The course website, here's a syllabus. So I'm already on the syllabus. Course website is here. Here are the mods. The mods have the lectures. The lectures are also on YouTube. You can see this is a YouTube link. But then the tests, the way you are graded on this is your tests only, and and you study the mods, read the book, look at the test questions, however it is you like to learn, and then you take the tests, and then the tests are what decide your grade, and there is the course breakdown for the grades there, 10-point split for the different letter grades. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will get in contact with you every week. So remember, everything's due May 4th. May the 4th be with you, and you better have your stuff in by then. And then the last week of final exam, Friday, the 11th. Yeah, 4 plus 7 is 11. So the 11th of May is when the final is due. So I will sign off for now, and good luck with the rest of your classes. Goodbye.